Origami. Back when the oracle cells were first discovered, they still existed in amoeba form. After that, origami in earthworm form were found. 6 months later, origami in beast form were sighted. And by the time a year had passed, an entire continent had been thoroughly destroyed by the expanding origami. Even considering that they evolve by taking on the form of whatever they eat, wouldn't you say that's a blistering pace? Right. Now, strictly speaking, the origami don't actually evolve. The fact is, the oracle cell's gene sequence hasn't changed at all from the originals. You hear me? Not one tiny bit.
But wait a minute, that's not possible. They're changing form, aren't they?
The origami, you see. They're just like you right now. For them, taking on the form of whatever they've eaten is the same as acquiring knowledge is for us. That's right. All they're doing is acquiring knowledge and getting smarter. What kind of bone structure would they need to move faster in our environment? What would they need to develop the ability to fly? They're busy absorbing tons of information, like a sponge soaks up water. In a mere 20 years, they've reached a highly advanced level of development in terms of form and function. Too bad the origami weren't as adverse to studying as young Coda here. Yes, they're extremely dedicated and diligent students. I mean, it really boggles the mind. I've even heard rumors of an origami that is actually capable of launching missiles. If that's really true, then that means they've even taken on the form of man-made tools. Isn't that just intriguing? If they can incorporate such complex information into their paradigm, then perhaps one day, in the not-too-distant future, an origami in human form will appear.
An origami in human form?